He's mad at me, so he's running over my toes. Are you running over, Mom? What are you doing? He's sitting there whining at me. I ignored him for a good 30 seconds. He starts playing with his truck. Yeah, big truck.
Yes.
You got popsicle face still. We gotta clean your face. Because we're gonna leave to get Mom a new ID because I lost it in the move. Oh well. Hopefully it's only $20. Please, Lord Jesus.